Hello dear teachers. Today I am going to explain you how to enter questions into the question bank into the Divine software. So first let us open the Divine software with your login. When you open, this is the home page. In that you have to go to assessment. Now when you go to assessment, at the last you will find e-exam is there. Click on e-exam. Then you got to the left hand side, select data bank and data bank master. You don't have to do anything over here, just come here, that is data bank. If you click, you will find St. Jude High School. For other, you may have the St. Jude primary, pre-primary school. Okay, select it and then here click on the select button. When you click on the select button, this window opens in front of you. Now you don't have to do anything over here. Now here you will see from this question list, bulk question entry, test master, topic type master, and data subject master. Now this four part, okay, this four you don't have to touch. All the teachers, this is only for the heads. They are going to enter everything into this. Okay, you don't have to go and manipulate anything in this part. Okay, so where you are going to do, you are going to have everything access to bulk question entry. Okay, so when you click on bulk question entry, bulk means you can add as many questions as you want. So if you say here, click on this bulk question entry, then like this the window open in front of you. Now when you are going to enter for your subject, all the details will be there in your subject and your class also. Okay, now say suppose for fifth standard I am having fifth standard or fifth class, then subject. Now subject is what, say suppose I am taking maths. Then topics, so here we have written here MCQ, all the MCQ type exams are there. So this is MCQ exam number 1. Okay, after that you are having bulk question entry and then bulk question import. Now bulk question import is nothing but if you click on this, you will get a download template. This will be an Excel sheet. In that Excel sheet you have to enter as what we are going to enter into the software now. That is the different process. Okay, but I suggest that go to the bulk question entry. If you want to go in bulk question entry with the download template and that too in Excel, you can create it, save it, and then import it here and browse here, import and save it. Then automatically questions will be saved. But rather than that, let us go to bulk question entry. Now number of questions, say 1. Now you can choose any number of questions, say 1, 5, 10, 15. Now if suppose you want to enter 20 questions, so first you can select 15 and then you can add 5 more, so 20 will be there. Okay, now if suppose you want only 10 questions, so complete 10, and now again you want 5 more questions, so you can add 5, so it will be 15 questions. Like that you can go on adding number of questions, any number of questions. All right, now for the sake of understanding I am going to select 1 only, because when I am choosing 5 questions means I have to enter the data in all the 5 questions. Okay, I'll show you how it is. Say suppose I want to have the 5 number of questions, then I'll select the difficulty level. Here you'll find 3 difficulty levels are given to you: easy, hard, and medium. So as your head will ask you to type the questions or select the questions for easy and hard and medium, then the number of questions are fixed for all the subjects. That heads will tell you, okay, how many easy questions you have to design and how many hard and medium. Okay, now if suppose I am taking easy, now how many marks I had to give for each question. So suppose now if it is decided that 0.5 marks or 1 mark, so now here we are having a 1 mark in maths. Okay, we don't have 0.5 marks. In languages you are going to have 0.5 marks also, so we are having only 1 mark. If I'll say like this, 5 questions, easy level and 1 mark, then you are going to select add button. Just click on add button. So see here 5 questions will be displayed. Okay, now in these 5 questions, now for maths I want to show what is the description. Either you can copy the question, if you are saved in any of the position, copy it, paste it here, Control C and Control V, the question will be automatically copied. Now then choices. Now what are the choices? Whatever the objectives you have designed, that the objectives you are going to write here, or either you can copy or type, whatever. Okay, so say suppose now I want to type, so I will write, say suppose 1/2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to question mark. So this question I typed. Now this is my description. Whatever description you are having. Now if you are having the description in the form of say statement, that you can write, or if you want you can copy. Then answers. Now if suppose the answer is I am writing, say suppose it is 2 by 4 first, and then I am having say suppose 2 by 4, I can have say suppose 4 by 2, I may have that, then the actual answer, that is 1, and then is again I will write say 1 by 2. These are my options. Now then you have to write all the 4 options here. Now here my correct answer is 1. Okay, so here when you go to the key, just select here. Now here 1 2 3 4 is there, so which is correct, that you have to choose. So now in my case here third one is correct, so I'll choose here 3. When I'll choose 3, then the processes of this question is over. Okay, then now you have to save, but unless and until I fill up all these 5, it will not save. Okay, so suppose now I'll select here, try to select and save, it will not save. Okay, so in that case what you have to do, so now I am only want to add one question only. So what I will do, I will delete all these questions from here. Delete this. Now delete, delete, delete. And then lastly you can say save. So this question will be automatically saved in the 5th standard easy questions. Okay, and this will be saved, and this bank will be displayed to the heads, and the head will choose the question from your bank, and then they will create the other questions. So what is your duty now? To enter the questions under your login. Okay, this will be all saved in my login. All right, so like this you have to enter the questions and save it. That's all. This much you can do. The rest of the part will be done by the heads, or then maybe Maria will explain some of the whatever queries are there. So now first your duty is to save. Now if I'll say save, then the question will be created successfully. Okay, so like this the questions are saved. Now here you are having a question list. Now select group, say suppose 5th one, then data, subject say maths, okay, topic MCQ, difficulty level easy, and search. So see here I entered already these 2 questions. These 2 questions are there. Now I don't want these questions again, and some problem is there or something I want to edit. So go to edit button, or if you want to see how the question is, so you can view the question. So you will see the question will be displayed like this. Okay, question description half plus half, and that is equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay, go back. Now I don't want this question to be displayed over here, so I'll go to the edit button and delete it. So you can delete the question easily. Okay, so it is deleted successfully. Now one more question is there in that, again go back. Okay, and this question also I don't want, so I can delete it. Okay, so like this you can enter the questions as well as you can delete the questions. So now what you are going to do, first duty is to add questions in bulk. Okay, under the class, I'll repeat again, bulk question entry, go to the class, then go to the subject, then the topic. Okay, so like this we can select, and then here number of questions you can select 1, and how to add the number of questions, that also I explained. If you want 20 questions, so you can add 20 here, add 20 first, sorry 10 first, and then now you want 10 more, so go again and say 10 and add. So again 10 more questions will be added up. See here, so you will get 20 questions added up. All right, so like this you can select number of questions can be added, and you can enter here all the data into description. So I hope how to enter the questions into the bulk question entry is clear to you all. Thank you.